Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So before we start on year 2, let's go back to where I started really quickly. I did start my lock journey on July 27, 2020 with 2-strand twists. So this is where I was last year at 12 months, and for where I started with the length of my hair, I felt like I got a good amount of growth for what my hair was giving. As you can see, my locks had thickened up a lot during this time. And since I had a bit more length at this time, this year I definitely experiment with a lot more styles. So I did a bang style here. I also did some lock knots. Well, at least my interpretation of lock knot. So here we are at 15 months. And you can see that they're definitely starting to give a bit more length. They're not looking as thick as they were, so I definitely know that they were starting to constrict a bit more at this time. I also tried out a barrel twist style at this time in my journey, and also around the holiday season I did try my first set of lock petals. Also decided to color my locks like this ginger color during this time also. Here I am at 18 months, and you can see the difference from month 15, how they are stretching out and laying a lot better than before. They're definitely not giving the thickness they were at month 12. I also decided to try some perm rods and do a perm rod set at this time. And I started to realize that my hair was definitely giving length, so I decided to try a low pony style with my rod set. And I also did a hack where I tried to do a little bit of a high pony, but my hair wasn't quite as long yet, so that's why I did the hack in this video for this style. Here I am at 21 months, and you can see the progression, how the locks are starting to fall better and a bit more flat. And definitely forming to my head and my face better. I also decided to color my locks again this year, and I decided to do this really cool two-tone copper color, which I get so many compliments on when I'm out and about. And if you know from watching my channel, this was an accidental color. This is not what I was going for, but I absolutely love this color. I also experimented with a braid out this year, and it has become one of my favorite styles to do on my locks. And I also tried out a sponge roller set. So I believe this is about month 22, and definitely my locks are looking a lot longer. They are starting to drop, so to speak, or hang and look a bit heavier, I want to say. So I believe definitely between month 21 and 23 is when my locks definitely dropped this year. Here we are finally at month 24, where I currently am on my lock journey, and it is crazy how much length I have at this time and how much my locks have constricted. As you can see, they are definitely giving more length and they're looking a lot constricted, more than they were before in the previous month. So I believe this is what my locks are going to be giving for the rest of my lock journey. I could be wrong, but I don't think they're going to constrict any more than this. Based on my hair density and texture, I'm just happy that I decided to start this journey. I absolutely love my locks. I'm actually proud of where they are today and can't wait to see how this journey continues to progress. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.